Okay, let's look at the enhanced DXF publishing options. So here I am in Inventor. If I look at the property card for this model, I've got it referenced inside Sovelia already, and I can go and have a look at that in Sovelia. And we can see the model here. No files currently exported for that or attached. It's a sheet metal part. And when I publish a sheet metal part, one of the options that we have, if I now look at that in Sovelia, is that it will export for me the DXF file and the DWF file. If I download that DXF now and I open it up inside AutoCAD, you'll now see that we have some text inside the model. So that text in this case is the ID, the thickness and the material. It's put onto a particular layer inside AutoCAD. It's called text, or inside the DXF should I say, it's called text info, and we don't get an option around that text info. It's the only layer we can save it onto. So let's look at the config then, and let's see what's happening. So if I go back into my profile Inventor file, we can see now that there's some notes in here to do with that option that we have, which is the properties to show. And we had the ID, the thickness and the material. We can also add in the file name to show as well. And they will add in the file name as well and put those onto a layer inside the DXF file. Okay, thanks for watching.